Hey, can we talk margin accounts? Because a margin account is the key to your success. It's the way to create the wealth you want. You don't have to trade risky options. You don't have to take gigantic risks. You don't have to shoot for the moon. All you have to do is make a tiny fraction of a percent every day in your margin account, and I'm going to teach you how to change your life. That's what we do every day at copyandwin.com, and all the details, everything I'm talking about, you can read for yourself at your own leisure on my website. But here's how my thousands of Discord members win consistently every day without big risks and without options and all kinds of crazy strategies. We just buy and sell stocks, but we don't do it in cash accounts. We trade in margin accounts. Why? Suppose you have $2,500, and it doesn't matter. You can do this with $10,000, $100,000, $100 million, but every brokerage will give you a margin account, which lets you have leverage. So assume you have $2,500 in cash that you deposit into TD Ameritrade, TradeStation, Schwab, E-Trade, wherever, and you open a margin account. No credits necessary, but with your $2,500, they'll give you the buying power of $10,000 a day. That's 4 times leverage, 4x. So if you have $2,500, you'll have the ability to trade, to control, to buy and sell $10,000 worth of stock. Wow. So every time you make $1 on your cash, if you're trading the full value of your account, the buying power they give you, if you find a way to make $1, your margin account actually makes you $4. That's the leverage. The flip side's true. If you lose $1, you lose 4 with the same leverage. But margin accounts are very, very powerful. Suppose you trade a $25 stock. And suppose you figured out through your own charting, your own technical analysis, or maybe you just follow me in my Discord because we give you winners every day. But let's suppose you find on a $25 stock, high probability that you'll know when that stock is going to go up or down by just 25 cents. 25 cents. 25 cents on a $25 stock, my friend, is 1%. So if you can do that once or twice a day, we do it a lot of times every day, then you can make 1% every time that $25 stock moves just 25 cents. Except in a margin account, you get 4 times that. So that 25 cents is the same as making $1. That 1% is the same as making 4%. Margin accounts, 4x leverage. That's powerful. And here's why. If you make 4% a day on your money, 5 days a week, 5 trading days a week, Monday through Friday, then you're making 20% a week on your money. Most people would be thrilled to make 20% a year. But those are the kind of numbers that we put up every day in my Discord with my thousands of members. We do it safely. We do it with stop losses. You can read more about it at copyandwin.com. But all you have to do is make 1% a day in a margin account. You're making 4% a day on all of your cash, and that's 20% a week. And at that rate, you're going to double your money every 2 or 3 weeks. Now that's our average day. What we do most days in our Discord. Some days, well, we hit major home runs. Let's get more conservative. What if instead of finding 25 cents on your $25 stock, you were able to just make 10 cents once or twice a day? A little less than 0.5%, but again, on a margin account, you make 4 times that. So even if you only find 12 cents, 10 cents on a $25 stock, if you can figure out how to just make 10 or 12 cents once or twice a day on a $25 stock, which we do every day, in a margin account, your 0.5% is actually 2% a day. Now, you may not have this kind of money to start with, but 2% a day is still 10% a week. Can you imagine having $100,000 in a margin account, which is the buying power of $400,000, and making 10% a week? 10% on $400,000 is $40,000 a week. It's realistic. We do it. And if you've only got $25,000, you're trading $100,000 worth of buying power. 10% a week is still $10,000 a week on your $25,000. But let's start smaller. Let's go back to your $2,500 that trades $10,000 worth of buying power. 10% is still $1,000 per week on your $2,500 account. Double your money every few weeks, and before you know it, you'll have that $100,000 and then $500,000 and then millions. That's the power of compounding when you reinvest and you make sure that you're trading the maximum value of your margin account every day. So when people tell me the stock market is too complicated, too risky, too dangerous, well, they're wrong. They just don't understand how to spread all their trades, diversify, trade safely with stop losses. Most importantly, they don't know who to follow to get winning trades. Well, not to toot my own horn, but we do 9 out of 10 trades are winners. We do it every day. Check out the Discord, it's free. Take a look. When you're ready, copyandwin.com, you can join thousands of people making money. But I want you to understand the concept of a margin account. You should never trade a cash account when you can make 4 times as much money just by using a margin account. We'll be back with more. I hope you're finding this series very, very educational. And I just want you to win. You'll be a customer soon enough. And if not, it's even better if you learn to trade with me and never need me ever again. Love you.